morning, students. Black on history. Today we are going to learn about advent of the Europeans. And then next keywords they are resources, explorers and rivalry. Students, similar examples of the keywords. Resource means wealth or weapon, and then second, explorer means traveler or trader, and third, rivalry means competitiveness and comprehension. Students, next you learn the why did other countries want the resources that India had. Do you know, student? Yes, India was rich in resources like spices, tea, and metals. Other countries wanted to control these resources and grow wealthy from them. Then, next, the trade relations between Indians and Europeans 1600 to 1800. The Native Americans has already established their own trading networks, but the arrival of Europeans and the trade goods in the 17th century built on but also revamped these existing systems of trade and exchange. This exchange is called the border system. And then next question, what did the Europeans trade with the Indians? The first Europeans to purchase furs from Indians were French and English fishermen who during 1500s fished off the coast of northeastern Canada and occasionally traded with the Indians. In exchange, the Indians received European manufactured goods such as guns, metal, cooking, utensils and cloth, etc. Students, come to the point. Today we are going to learn about the different European nations that came to India with the intent of trade. And then next aim of the lesson, describe actions taken by European powers in India for success in trade. Who were the traders? Portuguese, British, Dutch, Danish and French. Also the traders in India. Students, next you learn the Portuguese trade in India. Portuguese, another name was Portugal. Portuguese trade with India had been a crown monopoly since the Portuguese captain Vasco da Gama opened the sea route to India in 1497 to 1499. India, the Royal Trading House, founding around 1500. It is a first to start a joint stock company to trade in India. Students, I asking one questions. Who came first India for trade? Do you know, students? Yes, correct. The first successful voyage to India was by Vasco da Gama. Which year? In 1498, when after sailing around the Cape of Good Hope he arrived in Calicut, now in Kerala. Having arrived there, he obtained from Samutri Raja permission to trade in the city. Students, next came to India trade from the British. Students, British and French remained as strong rival trading nations of the country. Students, another one point, in 1588, the British defeated the Spanish, a powerful naval fleet, and became the greatest sea power in Europe. Which power in Europe? Students, greater sea power in Europe. A decade later, in 1600, they started the English East India Company. Which year started in the English East India Company? 1600. In 1615, Sir Thomas Roe, the English ambassador, was allowed to set up trading center around India. Next trader came to India from the Dutch trader. Dutch could not match the power of the British, so they left India. The Dutch East India Company arrived in India in 1602 and established trading centers of Sinsura, Nagapatnam, Surat, Makilpatnam and Pulicat near Madras. Next trader came to India from Danish trader. The trade was coins. At the same time, when Britain and France were expanding their power in India, the Danes came to India in 1626 and established a trading center in Transport in Tamil Nadu. And then next trader came to India from French trader. The French trader in 1664 East India Company was created. The company set up their trading posts of Surat, Makilpatnam, Mahi, Karaikal and Chandranagar in 1669. And then finally, French remained as strong rival trading nations of the country. Students, and finally instructions of the lessons. Write one action taken by the European merchants to establish trade in India. They are Portuguese, British, Dutch, Danish, French. The first one, Portuguese, were the first to come and lost power when the Dutch arrived. And then second, Dutch could not match the power of the British, so they left India. The third one, the Danes set up some trading posts but sold the trade to the British and left. And British and French remained as strong rival trading nations of the country in India. Students, finally, we are observing video. Write the question answer. The first question, which European merchants came to trade in India? And then second question, who were the major Portuguese explorers who came to India? And third question, who were the two powerful trading nations that continue to do trade in India? Thank you, students.